YouTube. Welcome back to Useapalooza with me, the inconsistent crafter. Today I'm going to be working on a gardening journal for my Etsy shop. And yes, it's hard to tear apart books because I love books. But I also love to craft, so don't get too upset when I cut some pages out of here. Anyway, you know the drill. Enjoy. Anyway, so I decided I have to fix this because it's a little wobbly and it like only stuck to the tissue and not the book itself. So I'm probably gonna break it off and then have it go straight to the book and see if that's better. But I'm gonna do that last because it takes a full 24 hours to dry. So right now I'm just gonna do the backs of all of these. Okay, so here is my finished garden journal. Does you see it? Can you even see it? That says garden journal on the spine. And it has this rock enclosure here. It's glued on, and then it's got a piece of that Stretch Magic on it. And then it opens up into this. Here you got a little calendar to mark when you plant things, when you plant seeds, or whatever you want to keep track of. I can't remember how many months are in here, but there's a few. So that's all ready for you. And then there are, I believe there's 11 signatures. And each signature has a graph page on the left, and then it has 3 lined pages in each one. And then a cute little thing on the back. There is one signature that has a pocket, but there's only one pocket. And I don't know where it is. But it's one of these. There it is. It's got one little pocket right here. And yeah, so that's it. That's the back. And there you go. Thanks for watching this episode of Useapalooza with me, the Inconsistent Crafter. This will be listed on my Etsy as soon as I get it ready. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.